So can you let us know about Lagu Udyog Bharati and the initiative they take here in Belagavi?
Yes. So Lahu Udyog Bharati is a pan-India organization and it is focusing on a number of various initiatives across the industrial fraternity. Like they have conducting exhibitions, they also organize for collaborations, they organize for mentoring, and they are actually supporting the whole industry. They also involved into policy initiatives and policy advocacy along with the government and try to collect all the required necessary informations about what initiatives can be done by government from the industry, and they are like a bridge between the industry and the government. In Belagavi, they have already 200 members and they conduct a lot of programs here in Belagavi, like mentoring and trying to bring in speakers from outside to give a view about the industry, the industrial policies, and how industries can grow up and flourish in Belagavi. So actually, they are doing a lot of things for the industries in and around Belagavi to grow this place, eventually, and bring it into the map of India.
Sir, can you talk about the ecosystem Belagavi has and how it is contributing to the growth of Karnataka and India?
See, Belagavi, the industrialization started way back in 1960s. It's been a long 60 years in Belagavi. You can see there are so many industrialists and entrepreneurs here in Belagavi actually who build this ecosystem. And Belagavi is an educational hub. A lot of talent is available in Belagavi. So we as entrepreneurs and industrialists, we are getting this advantage of Belagavi positive work culture to create this ecosystem and to enhance it. From our side, we are doing all what is possible to see that this ecosystem gets built up and we bring Belagavi into the national map. I also request through this forum that government has to take up Belagavi as one of the places where this ecosystem can really become very big and bring in some more anchor industries into it by creating more better infrastructure facilities which can take Belagavi onto the global map.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.